Well, here's a fun-filled fact about me. I'm a terrible fisherman, the worst. It took me 2 years just to catch Corona. We're gonna try to find our way down to this jetty. I literally don't know how to fish at all. I've always been curious. I watched some YouTube videos, and the same way that I teach people how to motorcycle camp, I'm hoping that the videos will teach me how to catch fish, because I'm hungry and I want to eat something I caught. Well, there's my first problem. Looks like I'm definitely getting my feet wet. Nothing ever works out right for me. just nothing at all. So this is pretty hairy. For those of you guys who don't know, I am disabled, and getting down this stuff, pretty freaky. I'm about to get my line wet. I'm not sure if I should fish the bay side or the harbor side. So I guess I'll do both. Give me some comments below. Let me know what I'm supposed to do. Improve my chances of success, please. Well, I fished about 20 minutes here. I got nothing. But I just saw a cormorant go down right there. He's a way better fisherman than I am. I hate birds. I guess some people are just better at catching M&Ms. Maybe I'll just stick to barbecuing and drinking beer. That might be better suited for that. I got to camp a little late today, so just got this fire set up. It's a pretty nice camp. And once you're in this little cove, you can't see any of the campsites at all. It's nice and private. Step 1, shelter, accomplished. Step 2, I can't pronounce it. Not because I drank yet. This is a Desire Vicky Chamoy Chela Chinagon Con Kamoy Tamarindo. I don't know what the fuck it is. Fuck it. Oh. That's unexpected. It's like Mexican chili candy. Oh, I don't know if I like it. I think I do. Spicy. Spicy fire. Kindling is a little damp. We get a lot of smoke, but we're on the coast. Everything's damp. That should get me going. Got this carne asada. Let's get them on the grill. Oh, better put it this way. That won't take long at all. Oh, we had about 2 minutes on that side. Give them about 2 minutes on this side, probably about a minute. I think a minute will do it. Now that looks great. That was about 2 minutes on one side, 1 minute on the other side. Carne asada, Mexican beer. Let's give it a go. It's good though. Meat cooked on an open fire tastes the best. That's just how meat is supposed to be cooked. It's supposed to have that smoky campfire smell. Carne asada, big success. Well, good morning. I just handled my ablutions in there. Now I think we're gonna go load up the bus and go do some fishing. Here's that campsite in the daytime. I'll show you guys what we got going on. Always have to have a welcome home rug. One level and block, tackle box, pick up my trash, and I'm getting out of here. Well, my dishes are done. Now I need to go pay for this campsite, and I need to go buy some jig heads and some various fishing tackle that I don't know how to use. I arrived at Bodega Dunes campground last night, and there was nobody here at the kiosk, so I figured I'll pay on my way out. In my way out, on my way out, out of my way out. So California State Parks, I apologize. There's... Hello? 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 Nobody's home. I'd planned to go fishing, but this weather disagrees. Oh, man. Okay, you guys probably couldn't hear anything I was saying out there. There's like 40, 50 mile an hour winds out there. The seas are treacherous. There's no way that you could fish in that. Get serious. I think I found a spot to fish. It's called Duncan's Landing. It's in a cove, and I think that cove will protect me from the wind. Let's go check it out. Well, it's not the best, but it is protected from the wind, and there's only way to find out if fish are there. Let's get it. All right, that didn't go well. I'm sure those of you who know how to fish saw what I was trying to do and laughed your asses off. So let's get out of here and figure something else out. Well, I gave up on fishing and picked up reading. This is a book by Scooter Tramp Scott. He's a really cool guy. He's lived on his motorcycle for 26 years. Awesome book, man. It's amazing. It's not about motorcycling at all. It's well, I don't know how to describe it. It's a very cool book. I'll put a link below. I want to show you guys why I stopped fishing. Let me turn on my camera. I mean, it is rough out there. So far as camps go, I guess I could do worse. They say it's really good shark and stingray fishing. I'm never going to try. I think I'm done with fishing for the rest of my life. I can tell you this, though. I'm pretty good at catching a buzz. I'm going to work on that, eat some barbecue pork, and this is probably going to be it for the night. There are a lot of people who've paid millions of dollars for a view like this. I thought you may be curious about how stealthy my bus is. Inside, I have the lights on, ready to read, watch TV, do whatever I want to do. So I'm going to turn off the outside light and show you how the bus looks from the outside. You can't see anything. I'll walk you onto the front. If you're a police officer or somebody walking by, a concerned citizen, you would likely have no idea that there's anyone inside of this vehicle. Plenty of light. Well, it's a new day. The coast looks way better for fishing. I'm gonna go down this super sketchy. I'm gonna see if I can get lucky today. It didn't look this rough from the top. Oh man, we got some monsters coming in, dude. I hope I don't get soaked.